This is my beautiful guest, Olivia. She's transitioning to natural, so I'm giving her crochet braids today. I'll be using 4 packs of the 14-inch Xpression Island Curl. The hair comes pre-looped and I'm using the number 4. Let's go ahead and kick this off with the braid pattern that I use. I have 13 cornrows in the front connected to 7 cornrows in the back. I also sew down the ends of the cornrows so that they stay put during the duration of the style. I have a quick tip for you guys. I learned this trick from Beauty Can Braid and it is bona fide genius. For the thicker cornrows in the back, instead of crocheting through the whole cornrow, crochet through half of it and then loop 6 times. You're gonna find that this method is a lot easier, faster, and it creates less bulk. I'm gonna show you one more time. It's very easy, it's very simple, and I know you can do this. I'm doing the invisible knot method around the hairline because I find that this creates a nice, natural, seamless look. So whenever she's ready to pull her hair back, instead of seeing a bunch of knots, you're just gonna see hair that looks like it's coming out of her scalp. Another quick tip is if you notice the hair starting to look frizzy, in order to tame that frizz, what you can do is take 2 pieces of the hair and start wrapping it together like you're double strand twisting it. To start off every haircut, I cut at the bottom of the hair. I do a blunt cut before adding layers because I like to see the basic shape of the hair before I go in. It's also good to stop cutting at some point, step back and look at your work. That just helps you see the shape overall when you step back and look, so you can see what needs tweaking and what doesn't. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like, I have plenty of other videos on my channel about crochet braids. Check them out and leave a comment below and let me know how you like this style.